I'm going to introduce you my little friend here. This is my little hypnotic monkey. Have you ever seen the hypnotic monkey before? Because this is a very special hypnotic monkey. Because whatever the monkey does, you're going to feel compelled to do. Isn't that crazy? Because this is what we call a voodoo monkey. Watch very quickly. Feel that feeling. That's right. That's right. Just feel that feeling as that arm just gets higher and higher. That's right. You can take your hands out of your pockets now. Feel that feeling. What's that like? As you follow all the instructions of the monkey. That's right. What do you think? Should we lift both legs up at the same time? Oh, you're so cool. You're so cool. Isn't that cool, ladies and gentlemen? Now everybody sit down in the chair. Everybody sit down in the chair. Watch how the monkey sits you down. And this is how powerful this little monkey is, because watch what happens. Sleep now. Deeper, deeper. Sleeping now. Deeper now. Deeper.